general maintenance on the motors, the manufacturer's manual has all the recommendations on what's required for oil changes and air filter cleaning and all that sort of stuff. Also on the Vanguard motors, you have on the side of the air filter a little sticker that'll tell you that you should check the oil level every 8 hours, check and clean the air cleaner every 25 hours, change the oil every 100 hours, replace oil filters every 100 hours, clean the coolant fins every 100 hours. That's on the Vanguard motor. On the Kohler motor, it's the same deal. In the manual you've got all the information. Also in underneath the air filter cover, in lots of different languages, you also have all the information that's relevant to it. So check the oil level before starting, wash the air filter out every 20, or the pre-cleaner every 25 hours, change the oil every 100 hours to give your motor the best chance, and to get as many hours as you can out of them. Maintain them in good order. Clean the air filters on them daily. Don't do this 25-hour bit. You should use the oil filters and oils that the manufacturer recommends. You do have a warranty with these motors. However, if you fail to use the recommended products, don't expect to receive any warranty from the manufacturer.